Hi, this is Stephanie Johnston with Johnston team of Service First Mortgage. Wanted to reach out to you guys and just give you some information about property taxes. So some of you have, of course, lived in the home a couple of years and have maybe lived through this, have had this happen, or maybe this is your first purchase and this is the first time that you're getting tax notifications in the mail of value. So important reminders about taxes. You're going to get a tax value notice coming in the next couple weeks. Some have started to be released. That will be mailed to your property, and then you can also look online for this, and as soon as they're available, they'll post online. You want to Google your county name and then Central Appraisal District or CAD. So again, you would Google, for example, Dallas CAD or Dallas Central Appraisal District. Come up and be able to put in your property address. So why I want to bring this up is it's one of those documents that's not fun to look at, especially if it's going up, but it's one that we really want you guys to look at and to pay attention to and to prepare for the future. So what you're going to want to do is pull that up and look at the valuation and see if first off you agree with it. So is it a real market value? Are you questioning it? Or is it something you think you can dispute? Once that comes out, you're going to have until the end of next month for most counties to dispute the value. So you have to provide documentation as to why the house is not worth that amount. One, if you purchased the home in the last year and you purchased it for less than they're taxing you on, usually your closing disclosure is something you can send to be able to justify, well, I only paid X, you can't tax me Y. Usually you're going to win in that situation. The other thing you'll want to do if you think you're in that boat is to call your real estate agent that helped you purchase the home and have them pull up comparable property sales to see if you have a leg to stand on to fight your taxes. So your real estate agents are not going to mind, they're there to help. So again, if you need comps to fight your appraisal district, call your friendly realtor that helped you purchase the home. If you don't have their contact information or maybe didn't use a realtor, we'd be more than happy to get you connected with someone to get that taken care of. The next thing that you're going to want to do is if your value is something you can't fight or it's just going to go up, is to let us know if you need help calculating how much your payment is going to go up and how short your escrow account is going to be. So servicing is not going to be able to help you with that at this point because your formal tax bill is not out. So now until around May, you're going to get your tax value. So that's your taxable value of the property. In October, the rates come out. So they're not finalized until later this year. Rates do not usually change much unless there's an election or a bond or something that needs that voting in to increase rates. Usually there's a very small change. So the big change is usually going to be for taxable values. So until that tax bill is finalized in October, servicing by law can't change your payment. So they can't say, I just am going to collect more because I want to. They have to wait until they have the final tax bill, then they pay taxes in December, and then after they pay taxes, they're going to do an escrow analysis. And what that means is they're going to look at what the bill was, what it is now, if insurance has changed, and if needed, either adjust your payment up or down and refund you money or ask you for money if it's short. So how we prevent this, if you're in a situation where your tax value has gone up extensively, is we're going to calculate what the tax bill is going to be versus what it is now. And you or the best practices would be to set aside every single month that amount of money in a savings account to pay in when tax bills come out to the servicing into your escrow account, or to actually pay that into extra escrow. So there's different options available. But again, we can help you calculate that. Just give us a call. And again, most importantly, please do not disregard those letters. Look at them, pay attention to the values, look at where you were last year to this year, and again, be proactive in that. If you do not do anything and you're in the situation where you do escrow your tax insurance and you wait until taxes are out, the tax bill's out and they're paid, and then you get an escrow letter in the mail, what has to happen at that point is servicing then needs to collect enough money for the 2017 tax bill, so the shortage, the difference for the entire 12 months, plus start collecting enough for 2018 taxes because they're assuming that they're going to be the same. Well, of course, then you're going to be double paying the extra overage, and you're going to have usually a pretty large payment increase by waiting. So again, the number one thing is be proactive on that, and we're here to help. So give us a call if you have any questions on this, want us to run numbers for you, etc. Again, it's Stephanie Johnston with the Johnston team of Service First Mortgage. Phone number is 214-576-2934. Again, 214-576-2934. And email for us is Johnston, Johnston, team at servicefirstmtg.com. So service and first are all spelled out, and then Mary Tom George like mortgage.com. So we hope this information was super helpful, and let us know if you need anything at all. Have a great day.